In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can, but when we are dead and in our casket, they always put some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. That's where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Oh, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Some lilies in my hand. Don't you do it.
Well, folks, we're doing a Friday night end of the year Happy New Year show because we're taking New Year's Eve off for family reasons and stuff. So we got ourselves a little cake, and a couple of friends showed up. And we might have some more friends show up, and it might be a major surprise if this one fella comes. Anyway, we'll see what happens. You'll know when it happened because all the guys will be crying and jumping and screaming like they just, Santa Claus just brought them a gift. You know, one of those kind of guys. Anyway, so Susie and I'm wearing these beads because Susie and I got to go out to, what's the name of that place? Irving? What's it called? Irwindale. And they got all the floats out there that are going to be in the parade. They're putting all these flowers on them. It's a great big place. And Louisiana is having a float this year. I think it's their third year having it. And they flew James Burton out with his lovely wife Louise and some of the grandkids. So Sue and I got to spend the whole day with James and his family, and we went and looked at the float. And James Burton's going to be on the float, going to the Rose Bowl parade, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, he's going to play too, isn't he?
I don't know. You know, they were talking about a music track, which I never heard, but I know he's got his guitar with him. And so they might be doing something, and he might be doing that. I think that's going to be fabulous.
I always get up, no matter how late I worked on New Year's Eve, I always get up in time to see the parade.
Oh, I do too.
I watch
We
the
put
parade
it on right away.
every year.
Absolutely. Susie and I might have the chance to go hang out at the parade with his wife Louise. I think she's got some special seating thing somewhere, and we might be able to con her into us go out and hang with her that day. But anyway, we had a great time today. James is doing great. He's picking good and looking good, and so we had a lot of fun. So anyway, they gave out beads at where they do this decorating of the floats. They have because it's Louisiana. Yeah. So you get near that float, and they gave us these beautiful yellow shirts. What are you saying? Hey, I'm going to get you a mic.
Would you please?
She doesn't need one at home, but here she does.
I have important things to say. Those beads came from Shreveport, Louisiana.
Oh, these came from Shreveport.
The beads, those came from
That's right. Betty brought these, I think. Betty, who was Louise's sister from Shreveport. So anyway, their theme is going to be Mardi Gras and all that stuff. You know, that's the whole theme of the float. And we met the fellow that designed the float.
Yeah.
What a good guy. So anyway, we met some interesting people today. We had a lot of fun. So now we're going to continue with music. Gary, thank you for coming. This is Bob Smith Toyota. This is our end of the year, New Year's show. I got a lot of engineers here. I got 3 of them tonight. So the show should go good.
The train should keep rolling.
The train should not jump the tracks. Oh, and Bob Gothar was nice enough to come up and help us out. So Happy New Year to you, buddy. Okay, what do you got there, Swan?
Shut up.
The train kept rolling.
Okay, yeah, well, one of the engineers is about to get fired.
Yeah.
Hey, Dan.
Yeah.
Turn me up so I can hear myself.
In the morning.
Turn us all up.
Yeah. Hello.
Got kind of quiet. Monitors, turn the monitors up.
What's going on?
Yeah.
There's a lot of dead
Well,
space
Bob
here.
Smith would give him away, but his wife won't let him.
Okay. Bob Smith Toyota, let's do a song.
Yeah. I can't hear the monitor.
Boy, everybody.
I'm gonna do a tune that was a
Dan,
Christmas
move the monitor
tune.
close to him if you have to. If it starts feeding back, don't worry about it. I know.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing to say.
Everything changed.
That's what
By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground.
in Dixie, snowing in the pines.
Merry Christmas from Dixie.
Christmas in Dixie, snowing in the pines.
Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight.
Good song. Who did that song?
Tell you who's not gonna do it.
Well, I know you just did, but who did it originally? Who made it? Alabama. What a great band. Do you know that this was a few years ago, but as of a few years ago, Alabama is the most decorated group of any band in history. They won more awards, more Grammy, more medal, whatever, than any other band. Well, that's what I heard. You can Google it. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think some 6-year-old kid told me that. Oh, man. A lot of hits. Unbelievable. Paul.
Yes.
Oh, wait, yeah, do another one. Don't let Bob go.
All right.
I'm just here ending the year. And I had a good one too, by the way.
One.
Can you hear yourself better? It's okay.
Let's do Bye Bye Johnny.
I love that song. And he got the intro down to a T. We're gonna let Bob open this one up. Bye Bye Johnny.
Do you do the real Bye Bye Johnny intro?
I probably don't.
Okay, well, let's just do the Johnny Be Good intro then.
Okay. All right. One,
Just,
two,
hang on. One, two, three.
Well, she drew out all the money from the southern drugs, put a little boy on the Greyhound bus, leaving Louisiana for the Golden West. Down came the tears from her happiness. Her own little son named Johnny Be Good, up gonna make a motion picture out in Hollywood. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny Be Good. Well, she remember taking money and forgot her crops, buying Johnny's guitar at a local shop. Long as he would play it by the riverside and wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied. But she never thought there'd ever come a day like this when she would have to give her son a goodbye kiss. Bye, 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 bye. And so bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny Be Good. Hey. Johnny, be good.
Whatever you did there, don't do that.
Well, he's trying to get the monitors up, but we're gonna do what we can about that. Here at Bob Smith Toyota, Happy New Year to everybody. We all had a good year. I hope it was good to you out there, folks. And we had a great year with the show. A lot of people watched the show this year. It was in the thousands. Anyway, we had a lot of fun. Bob, you want to do one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk more later. And Bob Gothar.
We're going to do one called Above and Beyond the Call of Love.
I love that song.
Yeah.
Yeah, way above.
In the key of G.
Okay.
151 with a break. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I'll never ever make you cry. Yes, I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and love something that money can't buy. Now with poor boys' chances for a pretty girl's glances are sometimes very few. No, I've got no money. If you'll be my honey, here's what I'll offer you. Gonna give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I'll never ever make you cry. Yes, I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and love something that money can't buy. We met by chance, and I knew in a glance that I'd found my destiny. Now I wanna carry you up and marry you if you will agree. And I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I'll never ever make you cry. Yes, I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and know something that money can't buy. Oh, darling, know something that money can't buy. Thank you very much.
Good old song. Who did that song? Who had the big hit of that?
Buck Owens.
Of course. Who else would it be?
I think Win Stewart
Win Stewart,
Yeah,
man.
Win Stewart wrote it, yeah.
He probably cut it too.
Oh, he definitely.
Yeah, but Buck had the big hit on it. This mic is too big. I'm gonna get rid of
That's
this
the
one.
one I know.
Not tonight, but maybe later. Gary, you up for it? Can you hear yourself yet? We're trying over here for you. No, not really? Go ahead and do another one. Can't hear himself. I don't know.
I'll play quiet, bro.
Me too. Hey, we did it. It squealed when we did it.
No, it was already in the beginning. It just got crazy.
Try it again. We're going to try another one. Good, Gary. Who knows? I might even do one before the night's up. I'll end you on a high note.
Yeah.
A flat high note.
Sing it from the head, eh?
Hey!
She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, romance in the right. She said to come on for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching. Gonna make me dead. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. With the good old Lord making one, running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. Well, Bert, she hit my glass. You know that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. You spend no time with me. When the fruit falls, there's a party going on around here. She may hit my coffee. I gotta hold on me. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best thing I can do. With the good old boy making noise, running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. Come on, man. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. With the good old boy making noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
I ended one beat early. Did you notice that?
Nope.
You know, my strap is twisted and it's bugging me. But it's okay. Between the beats keep doing this.
Carmine,
What? What do you want now?
Johnny Owens and Kat send their love. Happy New Year.
Who did?
Johnny and Kat.
Oh, well, give my love, absolutely.
Yeah, of course.
So we got people watching. We don't usually do a show. We're going to do it at 6 tonight, and then we got started a little late. But it doesn't matter because we're going to run it on Saturday night. Sunday night, New Year's Eve. We'll just run it at 6.
Oh, good.
I'm getting my thoughts together here, and that doesn't always work so
Now
good.
I understand what's happening.
Yeah, well, at least we're doing it though. Anyway, so Bob, do it. Paul, do another
I
one.
came late to the party, but I'm here now.
Yo, you make up for lost time every time. You're great. I want to fix my strap. You guys go and do a song. This thing drives me nuts. What are you doing, Paul?
Kind of Cajun-y.
Louisiana Swamp Time.
Key of E, 1, 2 minor, and eventually a 5. Okay. Eventually. Vamp in E. 1, 2, 1, E. Carmen, this is in honor of your beads and the whole Louisiana thing. There's a song called, what is it called? Oh, Alligator Man. Mosquitoes buzzing around my head, Spanish moss for my bed. I very seldom see dry land, 'cause I'm an alligator man. I hunt the gator all night long, take his hide and then I'm gone to see the bear, the bayou shed, who loves her alligator man. Yeah. When I took my hides to town, all the people gather round, and they just want to shake her hand. Love this alligator man. This bayou country is my home. First place I'll never go. Oh, I'm the leader of the clan, known as the alligator man. Yeah.
lost in that song, but I always find my way home, one way or the other. I'm like, well, where am I right now? Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This is Carmine's Country Corner. Don't do that when I'm talking. And so I'm the boss.
No, but I was trying to augment what you said.
Oh, I see. I see. It was just wait. It was just his timing that was off. Okay. Give me one.
Let him do his rim shot.
I think I gotta get another drummer. Maybe he's gonna kill me. So we're glad you're watching the show. Hope you get a good crowd. We got Tom tonight. Tom, come on up. Do a quick one. Yeah, come sing a song. End of the year. I told you to be ready. If you just get up here, grab one, fake it with one of those guitars.
He was ready for Sunday night too.
Yeah, I know. Here's a stool for you.
Are these tuned up?
Don't worry.
The other one is.
Not gonna hear it.
Doesn't matter, it's just a
But
shot.
they are. Put the stool right in behind you like that. All right, do whatever you want to do. Do a song. And this is our buddy TomPaul Wilson.
Oh, geez.
Friend of
Sitting in.
my son, Charlie's.
Sitting in. All right.
Wait, no,
Test,
the other
test.
one's a two. The other one's a two.
This one, you're not even gonna hear it, man.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, we stop playing. Yeah,
Oh.
You're gonna know it right away.
okay, I'm gonna know it. What
I'm
key
just
we
gonna
in?
acapella sing it.
Yeah, man.
You know it. You've been through it many times. I'll try to make that change.
Do it again.
All right, what? Speaking to the microphone? Is that what I'm supposed to be doing? All right. Living on the road. Living on the road, my friend. Gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron.
What key do you want to do it in?
I don't know.
Okay. What key do you usually do
I'm
it in?
playing it at D-A-G.
Oh, D. Now we got
Living on the road, my friend, is gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron. You press as hard as kerosene. You weren't your mama's only boy, but a favorite one it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye. Sink into your dream. And Pancho was a bandit, boys. Like a horse past his polished steel. He wore his gun outside his pants for all the honest world to feel. And Pancho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. And no one heard his dying word. Oh, that's the way it goes. And all the fairy others say the Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. It does the poncho bit down south. He ended up in Lefty's mouth. And the devil little poncho low. Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Lefty, he can't sing the blues. No, let me try it again. Now the poet's right, her poncho fell, and Lefty's living in a cheap hotel. And the desert's quiet and Cleveland's cold, so the story ends, we're told. And Poncho needs your prayers, it's true, but save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do, and now he's growing old. Three great fair, they say, they could have had him any day. They only let him go so long. Yes, I suppose. Sitting in front of the star of the show.
Tell him I love you. Thanks, man. Put my stool back where it goes. Here, you got something else you want to do? Yeah. You're the star of the show, not me. I'm just here to introduce you.
Today I started loving you
Love this song.
again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart in there. Today I started loving you again. What a fool I was where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart in there. And today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Damn, what a good song, and you sing it so well. Hope you can hear yourself better. I'm sorry about that. How much time we got? Another 15 minutes? We'll go to 7:30. What time we start? About 6:30? Yep. So we'll go to 7:30. Maybe something like that. Okay. Bob, here's another one.
Okay.
One more
Let's do
time.
Hey Good Looking as that kind of rumba thing.
Oh, yeah.
Key, C,
Good key.
2 5 2 bass and 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Say, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot water board and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dance is free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me?
the way that goes.
Where'd my wife go?
She left.
She left
It's
again?
a good idea. No, blah, blah, blah. It's a good idea. Next time.
Don't leave me again. Good, I hope so. Paul, do it. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year, everybody. We got TomPaul with us tonight. Wilson, he just did a song, and my daughter Kim is here, and Shannon's his lovely wife Caroline, and my wife Susie's here. We had some other people who were going to try to make it. I guess they didn't. But I got Dan Hughart on the working the PA tonight, and the reason I know that is because I can hear it. Anyway, he's doing a good job. And Bob Gothar, of course, playing my Gretchen. I won that Gretchen in Lubbock, Texas for $30. I bought one ticket.
I'll give you 50 for it.
I've already sold it for 35. It's gone. So anyway, but it's a great. It's signed by a whole bunch of great people like Albert Lee and Steve. It is. It plays good, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And you know what? I got that thing out of the case. I only played it 3 or 4 times, but I never did anything to it. Those are the strings that came with it last year. Same strings.
When I took it out of the case.
I'm telling you, the guitar is just playable. I never had to adjust it or do anything. It's a great guitar. All right, Paul, what do we got?
A fool such as I. In the key of
I love that song.
Nice.
Hey, Ray. You want to sit down?
151. A 1 and 2.
Pardon me if I'm sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me, should I cry? Though you're gone, yet I dream a little dream as years go by. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Now and then there's a fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I love you dear until the day I die. Now and then there's a fool such as I. song, all right?
Bob, do another one. I'm just finding things to do here.
You gotta do it.
Do Tiger by the tail.
Yeah, dude, that's a good song. Tiger by the tail.
Okay. All right, we'll do it.
Tiger by the Tail, another Buck Owens work.
Big
Opus
song.
piece.
Whoa!
You got it, brother?
One.
I've got
Tiger by the tail is plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Well, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I thought the day I met you, you were meek as a lamb. Just the kind of fit my dreams and plans. But now the pace we're living takes the wind from my sail. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Well, every night you drag me where the bright lights are found. There ain't no way to slow you down. And I'm as bound as helpless as a leaf in a gale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail.
It's like the record to me. Well, folks, we're going to do one more call tonight. Happy New Year to everybody. God bless you all. We'll see you a week from this Sunday. We got Matt. What's that guy's last name?
Matt LaMayo.
Matt Lameno?
LaMayo.
LaMayo.
He's great.
You know Matt?
Oh yeah, Matt is a great singer.
Great singer.
Great
Great harmonica player.
Yes, sir.
He came into
You
my
should-
shop today. I haven't seen him since before COVID. And he walked in I was working at the shop today for a few hours. And he walked in. I said, Matt, what have you been doing? He says, I've just been around and I moved right up the street. And he said, I saw your door open and how you been? Great. He said, I see your show every once in a while. I said, you want to be on it?
Yeah.
He said, I'd love to. I said, well, how about a week from Sunday, from New Year's Eve? So a week from Sunday, next week? Oh, that'd be about the 8th, I think. 7th,
on.
8th, 6th, 7th, something.
Whatever it is, it'll
Anyway,
be
a
great.
week from this Sunday, Matt, and you're going to love this guy. He is so talented.
Looking forward to it, Matt.
Okay, buddy. What are we doing? JD and Wayne wants everybody to know that they love them. Okay. Everybody. Even you, Dan. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you. Sorry, Paul, about the late notice, but we